Hey everyone, Dan here, and this is my video review for the LARBANKE heavy duty adjustable table. This is a workbench that's 46 inches long. I picked this up because I needed something in my basement to have an actual workstation. I found more often than not that I was searching for a nice table to work off of, and this is just beautiful. Got a nice look to it. It also has measurements on the sides, inches, and then you have metric on the other sides as well, so that's kind of cool. Here's a quick unboxing, and it was pretty straightforward, and the installation was super easy. I had my son help me out. We put the adjustable nuts in the legs, and then we assembled the frame and then screwed the table onto the frame. It was really simple. This is adjustable height-wise. You can go from 33 inches all the way up to 41.6 or something like that. So at its highest height, it's just perfect for standing and working at. I feel it's a little bit more elevated than most tables, which is nice. The other thing that's really cool is this has a little power strip just embedded into it here with about a 6-foot cord and 3 outlets. And then you also have some USB ports. So it's kind of cool with a little power switch here, which is nice. I like that. So you can just flip it on and off. And overall, this is pretty nice. He came with the ability to put on the wheels or just regular just feet. So you got a choice, and the wheels are pretty simple to work with. They you know, you can just unlock them and lock them with your shoe. So overall, I'm very pleased with this table and the quality of it. It was a good deal, and very happy with using this, and I can't wait to put it into action and continue using it in the home here. Thanks a lot. I hope this video review helps you in your decision to picking up one of these. Thanks so much for watching.